Hi friends, today we will do lab KodeKloud hands-on lab Linux kernel modules boot and file types. Going forward, you would need to make sudo for running several commands, and this is the fourth lab of the Linux learning Linux basic course and labs. In such cases, run sudo before the command. Example, sudo ls root. Bob's password is calastone123. So you will be thinking, what even is sudo? Sudo is a command that we can write before commands, so the system thinks this is the super user. The super user, also known as root, has all the access to the system, but the normal users, just like Bob, do not have access. So if we want to write a command with sudo, we will enter Bob's password, or in real, if you are working in a terminal, you will write your own user account password. What is the init process used by the system? Bob's password is calastone123. To check that, we will use the sudo ls l/sbin/init command. We will write sudo before the command. We will use the command ls with the L option. L means long listing format. After that, write /sbin/init. Sudo is asking the password. We will enter calastone123. I before told you, if you are practicing this on a real machine, you will enter your own password, user account password, not calastone123. We can see here the other permissions. L means this is a link. You can see /nvis/init is a link to the /lib/systemd/systemd. You can see by the link, it is a link to the library systemd. We will select systemd. It is correct. What is the default systemd target set in the system? To check that, we will use the sudo system ctl get default command. It is graphical.target. You will be thinking, why do not it ask the password again? Because sudo recognizes this is Bob, so it will not ask the password again. It knows from the history. It is a graphical.target. Let's go with this option. Now change the target to multi-user target. Bob's password is calastone123. We don't need that. We have entered a password already. For that, we will write sudo system ctl set default. First it was get default, now we will write set default. Multi-user target. Multi-user dot target. It is changed. Let's check it. What type of file is firefox.deb located at root/root? So to check that, we will use the file command. Remembering that is very easy because everyone knows the term file. Oh, I accidentally did that, but let's check. I forgot sudo. Firefox.deb. It's a Debian binary package file. I accidentally did that, so nothing will happen. You will select that option. What type of file is sample script.sh located at /root? To check that, you again use the file command with the sudo command. You can see here, it is a born again shell script. Use the bash shell script option because bash means born again. It is just a short form. Because B means born and A means again and SH means shell. So born again shell script. There will be two cells, I don't know why. You are asked to install a new third-party IDE, integrated development environment. IDE means in the system. Which directory is recommended to installation? I don't know why it is saying the password. For this question, we need no command. It is just a question. So if we want to install a new third-party application, the recommended is a /opt directory that is located in root. Which directory contains the file related to the block devices that can be seen running the lsblk command? And this is another question with no command. So I can just show you running a lsblk command. Look, it is saying I'm seeing the block devices, and the block devices are in the /dev directory. What is the name of the vendor for the Ethernet controller used in the system? To check that, we will use the sudo lspwh command. Now, to remember this is a little tricky. It is maybe hw. No, I again made a typo. Look here. It gave me the all information about the system in detail. We run this command. Warning, you should learn this program is super user. I forgot that. But no worries. It showed us. So we will find for the internet controller. PCI no, NVM net is not related, SATA is not related, PCI2 SATA, PCI3 NVM network. You can see the vendors Intel Corporation. Let's select it. We have completed a RAM. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the challenge. Bye bye friends.